Face relationships are like 2D constraints applied to body faces. They can be permanent, we call it persisted, or temporary. So let's go and look at some of these. So let's start by drawing a simple sketch, and this time I'm just going to sketch anywhere out in the open here and draw a circle anywhere here. Select and extrude. Now that's pretty straightforward right now. We come back to the select button, grab that circle. In the blue area here, I can just move that circle anywhere I want. So it just floats around. Hit escape. And so what I'd like to do is come up here to the face relate commands. And I'm going to come up to the plus, the horizontal vertical, and select that constraint. Then I'm going to come back to the circle, the cylinder, select the center point, and then grab the center point along the line. And that puts a constraint on that. And make sure you hit the accept button for that to actually take hold. So now I have that constraint there. Come back again to horizontal vertical, grab the cylinder, and this time I'll put it on this top line here. Click on the center, and now accept. It's on persist right now. That means it'll always stay there. Design intent can't override it basically. So I'll hit accept, and now if I come back to the select button, grab this hole, the hole controls the outside model. Those two constraints are saying this hole is always at the center of those two outside lines. So it'll always stay there. So what's happening here, this is not design intent. I could turn that off and it still does exactly the same thing. This is relationships. So that's what's happening right there. And these relationships that I added, if you come over here in Pathfinder, you can pull down on the relationship button right here, just highlight that, pull down on the arrow, and you can see those two constraints. See, there they are, highlighting right there, the horizontal vertical. And so I can delete those from right there. So if I'd like to delete one of those, I'll just come down and hit delete. So I still have one there, so I come back and grab it. It'll still stay in the center. As I move the hole round, it says I've got to adjust the model.